In our last example, we're going to take a look at this table here that shows the number of new cell phones a new store sold in March and August of the same year. The number of phones sold per month is increasing at an exponential rate, so that tells you the kind of formula we're going to be using. Identify the continuous rate of exponential growth. So we're going to say it's continuous exponential growth. So remember, our formula for continuous exponential growth is n sub t, or n of t, I should say, equals the initial amount times e to the kt power, where k is our rate of growth. So in this problem, we're going to take a look at, in August, we had 177 phones, all right? In March, we had 88 phones. So e to the kt power, well, t is my time. So how many months is it from August to March? Well, if we think it's, try that again. How about from March to August? Because that's the order we're going. From March to August. So April, May, June, July, and August. That's 5 months. So e to the 5t power. So we'll divide both sides by 88. And let me see, I don't think, 11 doesn't go into 177. So we're just going to say e to the 5t power equals 177 over 88. And then I'll take the natural logarithm of both sides. So we take the natural logarithm of both sides, we get 5k equals the natural logarithm of 177 over 88. So then k is the natural logarithm of 177 over 88 divided by 5. Well, use your calculator there, and I get about 0.1398. So we're going to say 13.98% is our continuous growth. Now we're going to take that and let's apply it to an application problem. I want to know, when is it going to be 500 phones? So in other words, 500, let me change colors here. So 500 equals 88 times e to the 0.1398 t power. So I'll divide both sides by 88. Does that work out nice? If I take 500 divided by 88, I don't get a nice number, but I will divide them both by 4. So 500 divided by 4 is 125, I do believe. So I get, work a little bit smaller number, equals e to the 0.1398 t power. And then 88 divided by 4 is 22. So now I'll take the natural logarithms of both sides. So I get 0.1398 t equals the natural logarithm of 125 over 22. And I'll divide that by 0.1398. And t will give me what? Now let's actually do it. So if I take the natural logarithm of 125 divided by 22, and I'll divide that by 0.1398, I get about 12.4 months, a little bit over a year. So it's going to take a little bit over a year to sell 500 phones in a month.